Okay, so in your math notebook on this next one, this is called another give and take. So we're going to be focusing on this compensation strategy again. Again, you can be using strategies that you're comfortable with. I'm just going to be guiding us through the giving and the taking, the compensation idea, in the hopes to prove to you that it's an efficient strategy and one worth your time. So please try it out. And I'll actually give you some thoughts on how to do things differently here and there. The first one to look at is $46 plus $98. Remember, pause it, talk about it, and then we'll go. Okay, this one could be done a couple different ways. If you notice right away that 98 is almost 100, you can add $100 to your $46 to get you to $146, and then come back twice, because that's 2 away, to get you to $144. So to kind of take $2 away to get to $144. Or you could have started with $98, borrowed those $2 from the 46 to get to 100, and then been left with $44 to add. So again, getting that $144. And what that would look like here in the equations is we could do 46 plus 100 equals 146 minus $2 to get us back to 144. And then over here we have our $46 plus our $98. And we're going to add $2 and take those $2 away from 46. So we have $44 plus $100, giving us $144. All right, next problem to look at is $1,389 plus $5,233. Okay, hit pause and figure that out. Okay, so some of you may be using something called the expanded form strategy. So I want to go over it just so you see it and you see that expanded form, and to kind of talk about how it's not as efficient. It's not as efficient. So what that might look like is this. You might be doing something like 1,389 plus 5,233. We can turn this into 1,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 9. And then underneath that would be 5,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 3, which gives us 6,000 plus 500 plus 110 plus 12, which when added up all together gives us 6,622. So again, if you're not using this, that's great. I'm just showing that there are other strategies, but they are kind of time consuming. There's way more things happening where we can make mistakes, and it's not as efficient as the next one I'm going to show you. So again, looking at that compensation, that give and take, if we notice which one is closest to that multiple of 100 or tens or what have you, I see that 1,389 is only $11 away from $1,400. So again, we're going to take that $11 away from 5,233, which is going to leave us with 5,222 left over. And when added together there, that's going to give us $6,622. Just like the above answer, but a little quicker. And if we wanted to look at that in kind of like the equation here, $1,389 plus $5,233. We're going to add $11 up here, take away $11 here, to get us to $1,400 plus $5,222, which gives us $6,622. Again, using these compensation strategies, much quicker, much I shouldn't say quicker, much more efficient than these. Okay, now we're going to hop into the world of decimals again. And so this first problem you're going to look at is 29 cents plus 58 cents. Okay, pause it and figure it out. All right, hopefully you've shared your strategies. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this depending on where you go, because we have two numbers that are close to a multiple of 10. So I could have done 29 cents plus 58 cents. I could have added 1 cent and taken away 1 cent to get to 30 cents. And to get down to 57 cents, and then added those together to get to 87 cents. That's one way I could have done it. And remember, if you're saying I'm taking 1 away, or I'm taking 2 or 3, or giving, you need to remember what that is. Is it 1 penny, 1 dime, $1? What are you doing? Be accurate in what you're talking about. So in this other way, if we again started with 29 cents and 58 cents, I see that 58 cents is 2 away from a multiple of 10. So I could add those 2 cents and take away 2 cents from 29 to give me, running out of room, 27 cents. I'll do it down here. And then adding 2 here to get to 60 cents, adding those together to get me to 87 cents, just like up there. Okay, next problem is $24.97 plus $25.44. Pause it, talk about it. Remember, taking 1 away, 2, what are you taking away? Pennies, dimes, dollars. Okay, and we're back. Keep looking at that multiple, trying to get that multiple of 10, 100, what have you. Let me take a look at $24.97. We're going to add it to $25.44. I'm going to be taking 3 pennies, so 3 cents from $25.44, giving that to $24.97 to get us to $25 even and $25.41. So when I add those together, I get to $50.41. Okay, next problem, I'm going to turn the page just because we might want to use some of the information on there as we're working. First one is $35 plus $35. Okay, so that one, you may know 35 plus 35 is 70, or you could have split them apart. Because remember, decomposing numbers is an excellent strategy. So if I have 30 plus 30 is 60, and 5 plus 5 is 10, that would give me $70. So 35 plus 35 is 70. Okay, so the next problem we're going to take a look at is, and you may see why we just did 35 plus 35, $34.99 plus $35.48. So go ahead and pause it. Okie dokie. So hopefully you saw right away there that we can take 1 penny from $35.48 and give it to $34.99 to get us to $35 even. And that means we do have to take away that penny from $35.48 to take us down to $35.48, which if we do our adding, we just did 35 and 35 up here, so we have $70. So $70.48. All right, next problem is $75 plus $75. Let's go ahead and solve that. Pause it. So in that one, you may know your doubles there. Doubles. 75, 75, the 150. If not, you can break that number apart into, you could think about, you could do the give and take. You could do 80 plus 70 to get to 150. You could also do something like 70 plus 5 plus 5 to get to 150. Or again, you might just know 75 plus 75 is 150. And again, we're probably going to be using this information in the next problem. So we're going to take a look at... Okay, so we have $75.87 plus $74.89. And pause to solve and share your problems. Okay, so we have $75.87. We have $74.89. We could, these are fairly close, so you could do it either way. I think the best way to go about it, though, is to get to both 75s here. $75. So I'm going to add 11 cents to the bottom one and take away 11 cents from the top to get us to $75.76 and $75. So using that work that we did up there, knowing that 75 plus 75 is 150, I can see that our answer is going to be $150.76. Okay, so with you and your group or your partner, I want you to kind of write me a little message. How's everything going? Are you using this strategy? And how's it going for you? Do you have any questions about it? And just do that work down here. So any questions or comments about the strategy that you're working on underneath your work? All right.